The first thing we need to do when using the VBA language is to save the workbook as a macro-enabled workbook. Click on the File tab located in the ribbon, then select the Save As option to open the Save As dialog. Type in the name for the file and from the drop-down menu select the Excel macro-enabled workbook option. Next, we want to make sure that the Developer tab is available in the ribbon. Click on the File tab and then press the Options button. The Options dialog will open. Click on the Customize ribbon option in the left panel. Then, make sure the Developer checkbox is checked. Now we can click on the Developer tab in the ribbon. On the far left there is a button titled Visual Basic. Click on the button to open the Visual Basic editor. The first thing we must do is create a module so that we have a file where we can write our code. Click the drop-down next to the Save icon in the toolbar and select the Module option. You will want to ensure that the immediate window is visible so that we can display output using the debug.print method. Now we will create a quick sample program. First, we'll create a sub-procedure in the module that we created. Next, we'll type debug.print followed by parentheses. Then, we'll type quotations, and the phrase, "Hello World." Now we will leave our cursor in the sub-procedure and we will press the Run button, or we will press the F5 key. This will run the program and display the Hello World output in the immediate window.